and welcome to this video. In this video, we will be looking at Enture platform views module. In views module, we have different kinds of views like table view, widget view, energy usage view, machine scroll view, and param scroll view. Let's look at one by one. So let's look at first we'll be looking at table view. So to create the table view, we need to select the plus icon on the top. Here we need to give a name and then select the view type. Here we will be selecting the table view as we are selecting, and we'll give a description to it. Once this is done, we'll submit the details. After once we submit it, we'll create a empty box, empty table here where we'll be editing the table, where we can add the machines and parameters over here. Here we have set it like row as a parameter and column as a machines. Here we can see on the row we have set it voltage, current, active power, and power factor. On the column we have set it power chiller, boiler, plant light, admin building. We have set it accordingly. So we can do as well in the row as well column. We can according to our requirement we can do it. Next we are going to look is widget view. For configuring widget view, we need to select the plus icon on the top. Here we need to give a name to it, and here we will be selecting the widget view, and a description will be given. And once this is done, we'll submit the details, and a empty page will be shown, and icon will be shown on the bottom of the page. Here we can see this multiple templates are being shown. Here we can see pie chart, bar chart, heat map. We have gauge widget, all this we can select one of them according to our requirement. Here I'm selecting the pie chart, and we'll give a label, and a widget width can be selected. A full, half, and quarter will be can be selected, and height can be selected like fixed and flex, and time frame can be selected month to date or year to date. And next we'll be selecting the sequence of the widget, and next we have is text view. Here we can select the value or value and percentage, whatever our requirement is, we can select it. Once this is done, we will adding the parameters. Here we can give a label to the parameter, and the workspace need to be selected. Accordingly, machine will be selected, and the parameter will be mapped to it. Once this detail is filled, we'll add the add parameter list. The list will be shown over here. Once all the details and machines have been filled, we'll select the submit button. Once this is done, this is how it will looks like. The pie chart will be looks like this, and we have graph over here. There we can create the graph by selecting the plus icon. We can select the gauge meter bar. We can select one of the template and showcase this data on our preference. Next we have is parameter scroll view. To create the parameter scroll view, we need to select the plus icon, and we need to give a name. And here we'll be selecting the parameter scroll view, and a description will be given. And once the details filled, we'll select the submit button. So this can be configured by clicking the right option and edit option. Here we can select the workspace and the machine. Once this has been selected, we need to edit the option. Here we need to select the workspace and the machine. And once this is done, this is how the parameter scroll view is looks like. The parameter will be scrolling, and we can monitor the all the machines over here. Next we have is machine scroll view. Here we need to give a name, and here we will be selecting machine scroll view, and we'll give a description to it, and we'll submit the page. Once this is done, a parameter can be created by editing the option. Will be selecting the workspace and the machine. Once this is done, the machine details will be scrolling, and we can monitor the all the data in one page. Thank you for watching. For more, connect with us in LinkedIn and YouTube.